Beautiful namaste, yogis. We're here in New Jersey, and it's in the winter. It's in February, and it's been really cold, but you know what? The sun came out to play today, and therefore, let's celebrate. It can be so overwhelming and anxiety-provoking, maybe for some of you, to be out in the world and super busy all the time. And for those of you that are feeling like you're a little bit overwhelmed and anxious, this video is for you. All right? So let's start in Tadasana. Just bring yourself to a standing position and mindfully bring the balls of the big toes together. Lift and spread all the toes and then drop them back down onto the earth. Where are the heels? The heels about 1 inch apart. Yes? Stand on your own 2 feet and press down so much that you feel the lift of the body. Like bring your attention and awareness into the body. Find your head, arms down along your side with the palms turned to face forward. And if you're swirling in the head, let it swirl. Little bit of neck circles here in one direction. Breathing in. We're gonna help ourselves connect the head with the heart and let roll it in the opposite direction. Breathing into where you feel it in your body. Good, come back to center. Inhale the arms out and up. Interlace the fingers, turn the palms to face up. Look up, stretch up, breathe. Tailbone down, sit bones down, heels down, femur bones back, heart lifted. Inhale. Exhale, float the arms down along your sides. Now interlace them behind your back. Roll the shoulders back and down. Lift up through the heart, nice and tall. Exhale, lead with the heart. Swan dive, forward fold. Arms reach back. Arms reach up and over your head. Rock the weight forward in the toes, lift the sit bones, press femur bones back, and breathe. Release the arms. Toe heel your feet out wide, a little wider than hips width apart. Bend both knees, come on down to Malasana pose. Hands on the insides of the knees to encourage the opening of the knees, hands to the heart to encourage the lift of the heart. Breathe in. Breathe out. Heels sink deeper and deeper with each and every exhale. Interlace the fingers, turn the palms to face up. Now press your legs strong. Reach up to the sky once again. Exhale, float the arms down along your sides and step the feet back into Tadasana. Inhale the arms out and up, look up, stretch up. Exhale, swan dive. Let's come back to forward fold, dropping your head, shake it out a little bit. Plant the hands, bend the knees enough. Step out wide. Right, you want to bring your heels down to the floor and lift up through the arches as you spread your toes nice and wide. Investigate the strength of your own legs and then lift the heart halfway, come to half forward fold. Keep pressing through the legs. Lengthen back through the tailbone, forward in the heart. Shoulders melt back and down. Drop your head. Once again, the neck is long. And then inhale the arms up and over your head with a wide-legged stance. Reach the arms up. Exhale, hands come down halfway where they align with the heart. Pivot and turn your right toes out to the right. Pivot and turn your left heel out to the left. Bend into the right knee. Come down to Virabhadrasana 2. Sink down through the tailbone. Lift up through the heart. Wide in with your breath. Inhale. Exhale out everything. Side angle. Right forearm comes down to the right thigh. Inhale the left arm up and over your head and find that nice extension from the outer left heel to the pinky left finger. Spin the heart up towards the sky, a little twist of the spine, and a big stretch of the breath. Inhale. And exhale. Good. come back to center, keeping that right knee bent. Back to Virabhadrasana 2. And then straighten your right leg. Drop the left hand down, spin the right palm up. Lean it way back and finding this standing Trikonasana pose. So you're rooted down through your feet. You're lifted up through your heart. What's going on in the low back? Tailbone dropping. Good, and then come back to center. Let's take it to Trikonasana. Hips to the left. Right arm reaches way out and then drop it down. Maybe the shin, maybe the thigh, maybe the earth. The left arm reaches up to the sky with the palm facing forward. Really, really, really feel your legs grounded and rooted. The shoulders slide back and down. The heart, wow, windy. The heart blowing through the wind, like let the air blow through the heart. Air is the element of the heart. Good, come right back to center. Now pivot your right toes forward. Pivot your left toes back, and then right heel comes back, and then drop it down into Warrior 2 on the other side. Breathing in and breathing out. Hand finds the thigh. Palm turns up, lean it on over. Now you're making that nice long extension from the outer right heel all the way up that right side, all the way into the right pinky finger. Draw the arm bone back behind the right ear. Spin the heart up towards the sky. Breathe in deeply, keeping that left sit bone rooted down. Right sit bone rooted down. Tailbone reaching back towards your right heel. Feel the left shin pressing forward as the left femur bone drops down. Breathe in. Breathe out. Good. Back to center, yogis. Straighten. Drop the back hand. Spin the left palm up. Reach up. Look up. Stretch up. That triangle shape with the fingers reaching up towards the sky and both feet rooting down. Find the stretch within. Good. Let's take it to another shape of Trikonasana. This time the left hand finds its way down. The right arm reaches up. Now find the triangle with the right fingertips up, both feet pressing down. Ball the big left toe, outer right heel. Long in the spine, including the neck, a little chin to the chest, maybe gazing up towards the sky. Big inhale, big exhale, super strong. Feel your strength. Feel the glorious, glorious information that's coming into your body, and breathe through the tight spots. Practices of yoga are here to assist us in loosening our tight spots. So says Sutra 2, second chapter. Back to center, pivot your right toes. Now exhale, come back down to a forward fold with the hands onto the earth. We'll take yet another twist. Start with the ground. Turn the toes in, heels out slightly. And press your femur bones back. Pressure inner and outer knees back. Feel the inner and outer heels and feel the spine forward as the shoulders support the front of the heart as they roll back onto the back body. You'll plant the left hand right underneath your heart, and you'll reach up to the sky with your right hand. And again, those fingertips reach up towards the sky, and that front palm reaches down a little bit forward. Notice what's going on in the hips. Drop your right hip a little, maybe, so you want the sacrum to be level-ish. Good. And back to center, right palm down, left hand, twist to the side. Good. And you can find that twist and then empower yourself by lifting the fingertips up a little deeper and rooting down a little bit more through the right palm. Feel the inner and outer wrist. Feel the bones of the right hand. Breathe in What's going on in the sacrum? Tailbone reaches back. Maybe dropping that left sit bone a little bit, breathing in and out. Good. And then come back to center. Walk your feet back in, right underneath you. Bend both knees, sink the hips back. We're finding Uttanasana now. Reach the arms up and over your head, sometimes called thunderbolt pose. Spread your fingers, spread your toes. Rock the way back to the heels, drop the sit bones down. Inhale, reach your way back up to Tadasana. Exhale, arms float down along your sides. Pause, big inhale, big exhale. Utkatasana again. Bend your knees, hips way back. Reach the arms up and over your head. Now we'll take it for a twist now. Start one with hands in prayer at the heart. We'll twist right first. Left elbow outside of right knee. Draw the hands towards your heart again. Lengthen forward to the heart. Twist and open to the right. A few of you may choose to unleash that feeling in the heart and ground it by reaching the left hand down and the right arm up. And then draw it back to your heart center. Utkatasana. Reach the arms up. Yeah, and feel that tapas, that strength building in your legs. So we're grounding down our energy, drawing our attention and awareness into the body. All right, hands to the heart. Big inhale with prayers at the heart, and then twist and open to your left. Yes, if you're feeling this in the hips and the knees and the thighs, let it, throw it into the fire. Throw your worries and anxiety into the fire of your body. Maybe opening up the heart by reaching the right palm down, the left arm up. Breathe in, breathe out. Navel to the spine, twist from the belly. Yes, and broad back to the heart. Center, up. Give it up to the sky. And exhale, draw it back home to the heart. Big inhale into Tadasana pose. And big exhale. And feel the power of the practice. And let those rivers run. And allow those new openings to nourish and enrich and help move the tight spots. Move them up, move them out. Drop them to the earth. All is well. Repeat after me, all is well. There is nothing missing. All is well. There is nothing missing. It's generous now. Atta Yoga Anushasana. Feel yourself present. Feel yourself alive. Feel yourself filled with breath. Yes. Lots of love in this field. Namaste.